Hey guys, hope you're doing well, and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of something that just, literally just came in the mail. It's a watch from a Swiss brand called Tissot, and gotta be honest, this is the first Tissot I have bought, I think ever, but they have a new watch that came out that I was really interested in, and I was able to find it for sale. Paid full retail for it. Full retail for this watch was 300 and, let me see if I can break it open this damn box. All right, that's how the box opens, and here's what the watch looks like. It's got a little, simple stuff in here, and then I think it's got the instruction booklet and whatever here in the back of the box. So something you'll never look at and you don't need, but here's the watch itself. And I'll be honest, it's a watch that I was pretty excited about whenever I heard about it. I heard a little bit late about this watch. I'll be honest, I don't really, keep my ear to the ground about whatever Tissot is releasing. But I saw this watch reviewed on a few websites and I wanted to check it out. This is the Tissot PRX. It's a Swiss watch. It's a Swiss quartz watch. It's stainless steel, and it has like this really cool style. Kind of reminds me a little bit of a Audemars Piguet Royal Oak, maybe a Patek Philippe Nautilus in styling, or a Rolex Oyster Quartz. That last Rolex model is defunct. They don't make that model anymore. But kind of similar to that. It's got an integrated bracelet, meaning that the bracelet just kind of flows directly into the case. Dimensions on this one, 40 millimeters in diameter, so not a large watch, and something that's going to be pretty easy, I think, for most people to wear. And it just looks like a cool watch. It's well made. Initial impressions, finishing is great on this watch. The bracelet is really well done. It says Tissot 1853 right here. Dial is very pretty. It comes in 3 different dial colors. This is the sunburst blue dial. So give you a look at that. There's some other dial colors as well. There's a black brush dial and a silver brush dial. And let's see here. I haven't sized this watch at all. I'm going to take this thing off. Today I wore my Casio Pro Trek. Check out that review if you're interested in that watch. But let's see, back of the watch is, simple. There's no writing or anything on the back. Quartz, battery powered, and so I think the battery life on this is a little surprisingly short. Sorry, I just ripped that sticker off. Like only 2 years, which is a little disappointing. And that's kind of what it looks like on wrist. I have a small wrist, but this watch is easy to pull off for any wrist size. They are coming out with an automatic version of this watch also later this year. And so I think that's going to be a really cool watch too. But I just wanted to do the unboxing, kind of show you all sort of what's in the box when it comes to this watch. And look forward to making a couple of more videos about this watch and comparing it to some competitors. Initial impressions of the watch are really positive. Looks to be really well made, really well finished. Crown is not screw down. It's just a pull push crown, quick setting date. I think it's 100 meters water resistant. One cool detail on this watch is that it has like a quick release system for the bracelet, which is really appreciated. So there may be some straps or something coming for these watches in the future. Anyway, sorry, rambling. Quick unboxing, cool watch. I'm gonna get it sized and throw it on the wrist and maybe make some more content about it either later today or in the next couple of days. Be on the lookout for that. Anyway, hope you guys are doing well. Take care and God bless. Be safe. Bye.